Welcome back, everybody. So leadership is no easy feat, and leading the next generation takes certain skill sets that need to be mastered. Well, joining us this morning, blazing beyond leadership, productivity, and business coach, we've got Althea Walters here with us. Good morning, Althea. How are you?
Good morning, Simone. I'm doing good, thank you.
Excellent. Good to talk to you this morning. So is it really different to lead this new generation, this new cohort of folks entering the work world, or is it a myth?
No, it's absolutely not a myth. We are actually operating in a very dynamic environment, right? Working environment. And if you look at it, we have about 4 different generations in the workplace, right?
Yes.
And so, right? And so what happens is that leadership started where it was most from a positional leadership, more from like command and control. And if you look at, and that's what used to happen. Now, as we transition across the generations, you realize that the wants and the needs of the persons who are inside the workforce now are different, much different. Persons from the previous generations were more loyal, were more committed, they were there for the long haul. They really wanted success for the organization outwardly first before they even went inwardly. And today's generation is I think there's a bridge between some and then there's a difference. So you do have most of the persons who are looking inwardly. They want the success for themselves first before even the organization. And so leading the cross-section of people who is in the workplace is going to take a different leadership style, different leadership approaches, etc.
So all sorts of Gens and Boomers and X's and Y's and
X's,
A, B,
yes.
C, D, E, F, G's. Folks are no longer coming in and saying, boy, I'm going to stay here until retirement. Now you're looking at 1 to 3 years, and it's not how can I build myself here, what can this company do for me? And what can this company learn from me while I bring what I bring to this company? Do you think that the current generation of HR, right, and top leaders understand this new generation that's working in their organizations? Because I've heard a lot of folks in HR say, I don't get these young people. And a lot of these young people saying, HR just doesn't get us. We can't stay here. We're not staying here.